So now we will see the problems based on your board models, NCERT, how to handle them. Basically there are three types of problems are there. Direct problem, question number 1 and question number 3, cos 4x equal to cos 2x. Problem where we have to use three functions are there, cos c plus cos d formula we have to use, and one given is a quadratic. So cos, directly you can utilize here cos theta is equal to cos alpha. If cos theta is equal to cos alpha, theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Here this is the theta, this is alpha. So 4x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha is how much? 2x. So once you use plus sign, once you use minus sign. So you will have 4x is equal to 2n pi plus 2x, and once you can write 4x is equal to 2n pi minus 2x. If I transfer this 2x this side, this will cancel, this will become 2x is equal to 2n pi, and this can be written as 2x, this will be 6x is equal to 2n pi. So from here 2 will cancel out, from here this will cancel out 3. So x is equal to n pi and x is equal to n pi by 3, where n belongs to set of integers. This will be solution. X is equal to n pi or x is equal to this. The solution of this. Now in this question, cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Sometimes we may have to rearrange the terms. The idea is when I am using this cos c plus cos d, is 2 cos c plus d by 2. So 3x plus x by 2. That means I must get the same angle. Difference is same or sum is same. That we can use. So cos c plus cos d, if I use here 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3x plus x by 2 into cos 3x minus x by 2 minus cos 2x is equal to 0. So this I can write as 2 cos 4x upon 2 is 2x into cos 3x minus x is 2x upon 2 is x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. So now you can take cos 2x outside, you will get 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from this you can say either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So two results will come, cos 2x is equal to 0, or that means we have to add cos x is equal to half, either this or this. And instead of here using same n, you can use here different n also, m. So from here 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. And from here you will have x is equal to, what is the smallest value? Pi by 3. 2k pi plus minus pi by 3. So x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4, or x is equal to 2k pi plus minus pi by 3, where n and k belongs to set of integers, both. So either this or that is the result of this. Now, in this question, sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. I can write this, different ways of solving are there. I can write this as 2 sin x cos x plus cos x is equal to 0. So cos x I can take outside. I will get 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. So one result is cos x is equal to 0 and another is sin x is equal to minus half, or. So from here I will get x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, and from here x is equal to minus half. pi plus pi by 6, third quadrant, pi plus pi by 6, 7 pi by 6. So n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n into 7 pi by 6. And instead of n, you can take this m separate. There may be two different values, different. So where n and m belongs to set of integers. Now solving this problem, sec square, use the identity that sec square you have to convert in form of tan square form. So you can use your that's basic identity, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Use the identity sec square theta is equal to 1 plus, so sec square x is equal to 2x is equal to 1 plus tan square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. 1 will cancel, take tan 2x outside here, same side, so you will get tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So either tan 2x is equal to 0 or tan 2x is equal to minus 1. When tan 2x is 0 means sin 2x is 0. Tan is sin upon cos. So 2x is equal to n pi. So x is equal to n pi by 2. 2x is equal to n pi. And from here you will get 2x is equal to second quadrant pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. So 2x is equal to general formula 2x is equal to n pi plus 3 pi by 4. So divide by x, x is equal to n pi or m pi, again you can change that if you want. So m pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. Remember here one thing, domain is very important. In this case 2x cannot be odd multiple of pi by 2. So that we have to remember, which is not the case in both. Domain I am talking about. While 10x domain, x cannot be multiple of pi by 2. So 2x cannot be multiple of pi by 2. That is very, very important thing. 2x cannot be 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. That means if any answer is coming of this type, I will reject that 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. This type of answer I have to reject. Why? Because they are not in the domain. At pi by 2, if this angle is pi by 2, my tan theta will not be defined. So none of them is in this form. Now again, this is also a problem exactly same as question number 2. Only difference is I have to rearrange here. So if I club this term with this term, my purpose is solved, because 5x plus x 6x upon 2 is 3x. So now rewrite them as sin 5x plus sin x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. Apply sin c plus sin d formula. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus dy 2 into cos c minus dy 2. This formula you have to use here. Sin c plus sin d formula. So we will get from here 2 cos 2 sin c plus dy 2 5x plus xy2 into cos 5x minus xy2 plus sin 3x is equal to 0. So 6x upon 2 is 3x. So 2 sin 3x into cos 4 upon 2 is 2x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. So take sin 3x outside. We will get 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So again it's the same concept like previous ones. So one solution will come from here, sin 3x is equal to 0 or cos 2x is equal to minus half. So when sin 3x is equal to 0, when 3x is equal to n pi. And when this is equal to minus half, cos theta is minus half, which quadrant? Second quadrant. And cos theta is equal to half, means pi by 3. Cos 60 degrees is equal to half. So second quadrant it will be pi minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. So 2x is equal to 2k pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. So x is equal to n pi by 3 or x is equal to k pi plus minus pi by 3. This 2 will cancel out here, here. Where n and k belongs to set of integers, that means 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, etc. So in this way we can solve all the problems from your NCERT or board level problems.